1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4 bolt, 4 13mm screws. Then you're gonna need a Phillips, because it's gonna be a Phillips screw here and a Phillips screw there. Once you take the Phillips screws off and move this over to the side like that, you're able to get this up and out like that. But then you gotta pop this out of here. Use a flathead and pry this up out of there. And then I'm gonna show you up here. See? It goes here. And then the clip thing goes over here. It's the cable, shift cable. Goes in here and clip down in there, but that's how you gotta take it out. See it on the side? See it? Once you take it out, pry it out of here, then you can pry it off of there. It's a bushing on it. Pry it off of there. And then you move this thing. And then this is the old one. The problem I having is when you move from part to reverse, it don't be in reverse. You move it in neutral, don't be in neutral. I mean, most of the time you can get it in neutral, and that's how you're supposed to start your car. So if it's the gear shift is not really lining up, when you put it in park, it might not be in park. So you gotta pull your emergency brake up, because your car will roll. But until you get it fixed. But this the problem this customer was having, was it wasn't lining. He put it in dry. He couldn't start the car because it's electric, so it was all just out of whack. So you have to change this whole unit. And yeah, you need a number 13 socket, an extension, a Phillips, and a flathead. That's it. Alright, y'all, this is a 2010 Ford Fusion. I'm gonna put in there like what years in the description, like if it's from 2009 or 2013 or whatever like that. I have all that in the description. Just like and subscribe. It don't take long, because you gotta pop this off with a trim tool. You see, this pops up out of these holes here. The trim tool, you like, I can't put it, but anyway, let's get this up, show you something. It be in there, but the trim tool go between here and there. You stick it down in there, you hear a pop, and then you just pop, you know, this is gonna pop all around, pop, and then just take off like that. And then the change tray, see it right here, same thing. You pry that, pop up, take it, put it off to the side. Easy. 20 minutes, done deal. Alright, like and subscribe, more videos will come. Thank you.